Hello YouTube peeps, my name is John, welcome to my channel. For those that have seen the last two videos on my channel, I've got this kit here. No, I'm not sponsored by the kit, it's just because I keep on getting asked questions and I didn't know the answer. So if I didn't know the answer, then there's a few of you out there that won't know the answer either. The kit comes with two shells, the rear spoiler mount, the top deck, and two shock towers. They're currently on the Eachine EAT14 there, but I have removed the rear spoiler and the rear wing mount because I'm being asked, does it just this part, not the shock towers, but just the rear spoiler mount, wow, I've been talking too much today, fit on the WL Toys range of cars? Because obviously once you've removed the shock tower, the original off, and then put this one on, a lot of people just want to replace this part. So I thought the easiest way to find out is to just remove the rear spoiler from my 124017 and we will see if it fits. So let me just move the 144001 out the way and the 124007 out the way. Remove this rear wing and put this on. As you can see, it does fit nicely on top like that. And if it was only that easy, what a very quick and easy modification. However, I have some very sad news for you all. As you can see, none of the four screws will fit. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see there's the original four screws that they'd have to fit into, and that's where they are. So you would literally have to drill 4 new screw holes further up to enable it to fit, which is actually a real shame because it is a nice addition to this car. If you so wish to do so, it's not really the hardest of jobs on the planet, but the fact that you're actually receiving the shock towers anyway, and it only requires a few screws to come out to change the shock towers, I really do not see the point of not changing the shock tower, to be honest with you. So there you go, that is that question answered for you. Any more questions, shout out in the comments section below, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, all the usual things. Stay safe, take care. Bye bye.